So here we are, about to surprise this week's hugely lucky BOTB Midweek Car competition winner. We've come down here to Bury BMW in Chiswick because he's just won himself the brand new BMW 530e Sport. His name is Philip Pangalos, and I've got his number on my phone. Let's give him a call, give him the good news. He's not just won a brand new BMW, he's also won £10,000 in cash as well. Hi, is that Philip?
It is indeed.
Hi Philip, it's Christian here from BOTB. How are you?
Well, a little bit surprised.
A little bit surprised. I'm sure. Not many people get this phone call, Philip, but you do. How's your day going?
Hot day, but I think it's going to change just now.
It is about to
Maybe
change.
Get hotter.
There's a reason why I'm phoning you, Philip. Let me turn around. Are you ready for this, Philip?
I suppose so.
Philip, you are this week's Midweek Car competition winner. You have won a brand new BMW 530. This is the M Sport version that you've won.
Wow. Goodness me. I've been playing for a while. I've been watching for a while.
This is an absolutely stunning
I'm
car.
going to pinch myself, I think, in a minute.
You will have to pinch yourself. So you're a big BMW fan, aren't you? Because all I seem to see you play for is BMWs.
I am a fan, indeed.
You are
indeed.
A big fan.
My mum's got an old 318i, 1990.
1990? Oh, you'll have to take it for a spin in this, Philip, because this is a little bit more luxurious, that's for sure.
I'll take my wife and son as well. I think he'll be over the moon with this.
I think they will, yeah. Well, let me show you a little bit more detail. Let's jump in. So here we are in your brand new BMW. The 5 Series is such a lovely car that you've won.
Beautiful.
And it's got all this new TFT dash in front of me as well.
Fit the family, my wife Vanessa, my son Anthony, and probably the dog too.
And the dog too, yeah. You got loads of room in this. What colour do you think you'd want one in?
Oh, I don't know. My son's keen on blue.
Is he? Oh, fantastic.
He knows when I play, he goes in blue. We'll see.
Well, we can definitely order a blue one for you. So what was it about the BMW that made you pick that as your ticket for last week?
Look, it's a lovely car. I know it's got the latest technology. They're very reliable, great, safe family car. Love to drive, tour around Europe. I think it's going to be ideal.
It will absolutely, yeah, it will absolutely be a perfect car for you.
If I don't wake up in 5 minutes. Then
you won't wake up in 5 minutes. You're awake now, I promise you, Philip. So what do you do for a living, Philip?
I'm a journalist.
You're a journalist?
A consultant. This is totally surreal, of course, but yes.
That's so nice to hear, Philip. Well, the fun doesn't stop there, actually. So just give me 1 second. I need to go to the back of the car. So, Philip, are you ready for this?
I suppose so.
Second surprise of the day. Not only have you won a brand new 5 Series BMW, if I push this button here, you've also won 10 grand in cash.
Lovely. That's fantastic. Unbelievable. Made the year, not the day.
Made the year, not the day. Amazing. Well, that's good to hear.
My wife's got a big birthday coming up later on this summer, so I think we'll
no way.
Go towards that.
Well, it would be rude for me to ask how old she is, so let's just say it's a big birthday, and I'm sure she'll have a lovely 40th.
Something indeed she will, yes.
Yes, absolutely.
Will. It'll be lovely.
Well, Philip, you're going to be able to spoil her rotten with that £10,000, and you'll be able to drive her wherever you like as well. It's an absolutely fantastic car.
Absolutely. I don't know if she's going to believe me when I tell her, but anyway.
Do you think she will believe you?
I'm not sure. If she sees the video, and if I don't wake up in 5 minutes, she'll believe me.
I know. I love that you keep saying that. I promise. I mean, you can pinch yourself as many times as you like, but you're not going to wake up because this is real.
No, I've been playing this game for a while. I saw a nice Ferrari in Heathrow Airport years back. And ever since I've been a regular player lately for more sort of family cars and that sort of thing. But absolutely, I've been a fan for a long while. And always hoped, always think, but when it happens, wow.
Well, now it's happened. After all this time, congratulations.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
Absolutely, our pleasure.
Really great news.
It's such a lovely thing to see such a big smile on your face. So huge congratulations, Philip. Well done.
Thank you. And I tell you, when I get to drive that car, the grin on my face is going to be even bigger, that's for sure.
I'm looking forward to that. Well, you have to send us a video when you collect it.
I will do, absolutely. Good
stuff. Philip, have a fantastic rest of your day. Well done.
Thank you so much.
Not a problem. Stay safe. Bye for now.
Will do. You too. Bye-bye.
Cheers. Bye. What a lovely guy, Philip Pangalos, winning a brand new BMW 530e M Sport. This has got some amazing hybrid technology in it, and he won the £10,000 in cash as well. Whichever of the BOTB competitions you're playing this week, a huge best of luck. You never know, you might just get that amazing video call from me next week.